Hey folks, I got an email this week from a client who was checking one of those super cheap cruise websites and went, whoa, look at this 12-night celebrity cruise, 70% off. Can you even come close to this price? Yeah, I can actually give you the exact same price because our pricing is exactly the same as their pricing. Look, the cruise lines control the pricing. So let's break this down and I'll show you. So my client is interested in the ocean view on the super cheap cruise website. The brochure ocean view is $52.76. Now the brochure price is the actual price that the cruise line has determined for that category of stateroom. Now, nobody ever actually pays this, or at least it's extremely rare that people pay this, because what the cruise line does is this is how they go ahead and give you 40% off, 70% off, and all of these percentages off. They set a high base price and then they can give you discount on that so you feel like you're getting a great deal. So the cheap cruise website, the price is $1,099. You save 79%. Holy crap, that's amazing. But you guys have already figured out, right? You're not going to be paying $10.99 for that cruise. Here's what you're actually going to pay for the cruise. My brochure rate is $57.24. It's actually higher than what cheap cruise website is showing. Then we have the non-commissionable portion of the cruise fare broken out separately. Travel advisors are not paid a commission on this amount. Then we take 40% off the total cruise fare per celebrity's current promotion, plus they're throwing in 2 additional bonus savings. And then the vacation subtotal is exactly what that cheap cruise website is showing, $10.99 per person or $21.98 for the cabin. Throw in the port fees and taxes and you end up with $24.80 and 28 cents, exactly the same price that you're going to get from a super cheap cruise website, except we don't play that game of saying, hey, look how cheap this cruise is. No, we like to give you the full price right up front so that there's no surprises on the back end. See, look, the cruise lines control the pricing. Nobody can just go in and offer a super deep discount. So don't assume just because you ordered from cheap cruise website that you got the best deal. It may be the same price as if you went through us or even directly through the cruise line, but we like to think that we offer personal service and we follow through after the sale. So I hope that was helpful. If you need any more information about that or something doesn't quite make sense, certainly do reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.